Dr. Jamal, and I am currently joined with Dr. Azlan, the founder of Lean Smart Industry Solutions (PLT). So, Doctor, can you tell us a little bit more about Lean Smart?
Okay, Lean Smart is a company that we have started up to assist all the organizations, especially the SMEs, on the implementation of Industry 4.0 digital technologies successfully, so that they can achieve the status of smart manufacturing. So it is extremely important that we embark on a journey of successful implementation of Industry 4.0 digital technologies.
All right, so you are one of the speakers for the event. Can you tell us or summarize your talk about manufacturing 4.0?
Okay, when we talk about Industry 4.0, the most important thing is the implementation part, because the technologies can be easily taken in, but how do we benefit from these technologies is what is really, really important. Like, for example, when we bring in a technology, when we do an investment, what is it for the industry? What is it for the company? Okay, how does this productivity increases? When we bring in a digital technology, Industry 4.0, it's supposed to take us to a world-class technology. World-class productivity. So when we achieve world-class productivity, that means our lead time goes down, our cost goes down, and our quality goes up. And with this, we will be able to compete globally with world-class productivity performance. So if we are unable to achieve this, then the Industry 4.0 digital application is a failure. Even though you have it, but it did not benefit you. So what I was talking about in my conference on the day one, it is about a 6-step approach. The first thing is we do the reshaping plan. And once we have the reshaping plan, we will understand the whole process of how to take this industry, because it is different for every industry. So how to take this particular industry from where they are into achieving the status of smart manufacturing to deliver world-class productivity and to be globally competitive. So we came up with this 6-step approach: the reshaping plan, the foundation building, especially the people and the process. And then the next is, how do we upgrade and right on the people and processes? That means the right skilling of the people and ensuring the processes are reliable, the machines are reliable before we connect the machines. If the machines are not reliable, we connect the machines, it is poor performing machines are connected and it delivers poor performing data. It is of no use. So the upgrading phase is extremely important. So then come to the readiness phase. So at the readiness phase, that means we have already achieved a very high level of productivity already with very little investment. The investment of Industry 4.0, all the big investment have not happened yet, but you already gain high level of productivity. Now you have the money to invest in Industry 4.0 digital technologies, right? So then we go into smart manufacturing, achieving the status of smart manufacturing with the application of automation, robotics, IoT. There's so much of things that we can do because the organization is capable and ready to adopt, absorb, and also to deliver the world-class productivity. Then the last final step is, with the adoption and implementation of the Industry 4.0 technologies, upon achieving the smart manufacturing status, we will declare this organization as an organization can deliver world-class productivity and is able to compete globally.
All right, amazing. So, as we know, some people out there are still very afraid of new technology, AI, and all this stuff coming in. So, why do you think those perceptions still exist?
Well, I think one of it is we need to understand that today the Industry 4.0 became a tech line. It is okay to be a tech line, but there are a lot of people using the word Industry 4.0 to make organizations to commit, to adopt. If not, the industry is going to be in big trouble of getting eliminated. So these kind of fears got to be taken out. And then we need to instill, guys, we need to hold hands and move from step to step. We can't jump. So that is why a lot of industries are looking and watching, especially the SMEs. So what is it in for me? Okay, you're going to put in the Industry 4.0. Will my lead time reduce? Will my cost go down? How much? What is my ROI? So these questions are not answered. So when these questions are not answered and they're unable to deliver these results, why should they invest in Industry 4.0? So this conference is about implementation of Industry 4.0, not about 4.0, but how do we implement it correctly? So that is why we have been having all the industry experts who talks about everything to do with the implementation of Industry 4.0 technologies.
So speaking of, do you think Malaysia is nearly equipped already to implement Industry 4.0?
We have the ecosystem. Now it is how we, instead of working in silos, how do we work collaboratively? See, when we talk about Industry 4.0, we cannot be talking about is Malaysia ready? Are we ready to adopt? Because the technologies, what is not available in Malaysia, it is available outside Malaysia. We are globally borderless. When we are globally borderless, the technology can come from anywhere. And the technology is low cost. It can be bought and brought in from anywhere. Now, are we ready to adopt and implement and get the fruits of world-class productivity, low cost, low lead time?
All right, fantastic. So now, last but not least, Doctor, what are your thoughts on the conference and event as a whole?
Okay, this conference, I've been talking to a lot of people. In fact, a lot of people have been congratulating me and thank you very much. In fact, this conference is only successful because of all the participants who have attended. And I had a lot of industry leaders coming and telling me, hey, this is the best international conference they have ever attended. In fact, even today morning at breakfast, I was talking to Professor Doctor from Hokkaido University. And he was telling me, wow, this is an international conference. I have never seen a conference of this big and this complete, especially on the expert materials that was presented. So I'm very happy. But the credit goes back to all those who actually participated and attended this event. And I'm just trying to bring all these talents together.
All right, beautiful. Thank you so much, Dr. Azlan, for your time. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Shasha Jamal reporting for C21 TV from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.